The small temple town of Dharmasthala in Karnataka became a nationwide national talking point after allegations were made by a masked man, saying he buried hundreds of bodies over the course of decades, over the course of 15 years in Dharmasthala. Now, there were questions being asked about his allegations. Of course, since then, a lot has transpired. He's been taken into custody because the allegations he put forth were found to be completely untrue, completely false. And that's why political tensions have soared, because the BJP is alleged that all of this was done, these allegations were leveled simply to go ahead and malign the temple administration, the Sri Manjunatha Swami temple in Dharmasthala. They've been demanding that a central body investigate this particular case and uncover the conspiracy. We saw massive protests taking place today, along with BJP leaders visiting the temple as well. Let's run you through the day's developments and then we'll take this forward.
Twist after twist. The Dharmasthala truth files continue to tumble out after the arrest of the masked man, Chinnaya. Chinnaya's claims of burying hundreds of bodies created ripples across Karnataka, and now the SIT's revelation that he's manufactured these claims has only led to further questions on the conspiracy in the temple town. With the truth being unmasked, the political fight has escalated. Karnataka BJP leaders visited the Dharmasthala Manjunatha Swami temple as they kicked off the Dharmasthala Chalo protest.
Dharmasthala Chalo is not a call given by Bharatiya Janata Party. It's a non-political movement. The conspirators who are behind this, they need to be punished. There should be a NIA or CBI investigation in the entire episode. Only then truth will come out.
How can they, without ascertaining his background of that masked man, तीन IAS ऑफिसरों को लगाया ये गड्ढा तोड़ने के लिए? इससे मजाक बात क्या है जी? Means they have made it a laughing stock.
As the BJP led a massive protest, the Congress has dismissed the BJP's protest, reiterating they will not transfer the probe.
ಮಂಜುನಾಥೇಶ್ವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಪಾರವಾದಂಥ ಗೌರವ ಇದೆ. ಅವರು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ? SIT ಆದಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಹಳ ದಿನಗಳ ನಂತರ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ?
With the political fight peaking, the whole of Karnataka is asking one question. Why did the masked man Chinnaya make these allegations, and who is involved in the conspiracy?
That you can see behind me shows hundreds and hundreds of cadres from in and across Karnataka who have come here for the Chalo Dharmasthala protest that the BJP has taken up. In fact, Bharatiya Janata Party Karnataka has not only demanded that the SIT, that is the Special Investigation Team that is conducting its investigation into the Dharmasthala scandal, go on, but more importantly, they're demanding that the NIA take up this case and that the real truth behind what happened at Dharmasthala be unearthed. With video journalist Prasad at Dharmasthala, Apurva Jayachandran, India Today.